You got to create partnerships, not transactional adversaries. And that's a very important consideration when you're thinking about your deals. We want to make sure that when we're setting something up, that the urgency level for both parties is somewhat mutual. If I'm a small entity and I want to do a deal with a larger entity because I need funding or certain resources that are critical to me, my urgency level could be through the roof. But this larger entity, it's just another deal among many. So make sure that as you're thinking through fair deals and how to get things done, hey, am I experiencing the same level of urgency, or are we, if you're negotiating on behalf of your organization, are we experiencing the same level of urgency? And try to align your viewpoint with the other party or person, because oftentimes deal cadence is so critical to a successful outcome.